Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a Christmas exclusive promo and posters in CapCut Commerce. All you have to do now, you can open CapCut.com on your browser and then click on top left corner of your screen. But before that, sorry, you have to sign up. You have to sign in, but if you don't have an account, please register, sign up with your new account. Next, this is the CapCut Commerce Pro. You can click it, and here we go. This is the Christmas exclusive. Create promo videos and poster in second for Christmas. So here you can use your product link to generate the video. You can click your product link in here and click on generate. So make sure you have a fast network speed. Currently my network speed is slow. Loading in progress. And here we go. You can create with info. You can give your product name, highlight your product's feature, and drag and drop to choose file or choose from product. You can add product in here, and this is the template, the trending template that maybe can inspire you. You can pick this or pick this, and you can generate or use your product link, pass your enter your link here to generate the videos. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and support this button below. See you in the next video.